Welcome to Stellar Astrology. Today, we explore the Jupiter transit for the year 2026 and what it means for Aries natives, Mesha Lagna. For Aries, Jupiter is always a planet of great promise. He governs your 9th house of fortune, dharma, and higher wisdom, as well as your 12th house of moksha and spiritual liberation. Whenever Jupiter moves, he activates destiny, travel, faith, and spiritual insight. And in 2026, his journey creates two very distinct chapters in your life. In the first half of the year, Jupiter travels through Gemini, your 3rd house of communication, courage, and effort. Life may feel restless, demanding, and filled with movement. You may find yourself traveling more, for work, for learning, or even for spiritual pursuits. This is a time that encourages you to sharpen your skills, to explore new opportunities, and to step outside your comfort zone. In January, under Mrigashira Nakshatra, curiosity grows. You may experiment with new ideas, or even new roles. But as Jupiter enters Ardra, from February through April, the storms arrive. Tempers flare, frustrations rise, misunderstandings create turbulence, especially in relationships with colleagues, siblings, or close companions. This is the period to hold your patience, to restrain anger, and to avoid impulsive decisions. By May and June, under the gentle light of Punarvasu, the tide turns. Renewal arrives, lost opportunities may return, optimism rises again, and for many, long-awaited job offers or career breakthroughs become possible. Relationships also begin to heal, and clarity replaces confusion. Then comes the great turning point of the year. At the end of June, Jupiter enters Cancer, your 4th house, and here, he is exalted. This is Jupiter at his most radiant, his most benevolent. The second half of 2026 blesses your home, your family, your property, and your inner emotional life. Pushya Nakshatra in July and August magnifies nourishment, prosperity, and dharma. It is a golden window for marriage, for investments, and for strengthening family bonds. As the year closes, Jupiter enters Ashlesha. This nakshatra reveals karmic truths and brings ancestral healing. Hidden issues may rise to the surface, but they do so in order to be resolved. Emotional wounds can finally be released, and you may experience deep psychological and spiritual healing. So, what does this mean for Aries in 2026? The first half of the year is a test. It asks for patience, discipline, and courage. The second half is a blessing. It brings prosperity, family harmony, and inner peace. Jupiter guides you from storm to sanctuary, from restlessness to exaltation, from trial to wisdom.